Hi guys! Today we're at Canyon Cove! Let's get started!
Hi everybody! Yes, we're here again at Canyon Cove, Nasugbu, Batangas. This is our third time. Bakit third time? Because this is our favorite summer getaway. Dahil hindi lang siya mayroong pool, meron din siyang beach. Hindi lang siya mayroong beach, meron din siyang hotel. Very nice place for our summer getaway.
Careful! Lexon and Irvin's bed. Yeah, sure!
Careful.
The beach! Hey! Hey!
Dalawa yung e-card niya kayo. Dati isa lang.
Hey! I can see an island in it. Look at that one. It's fun. That's for kids. The balloon.
As you can see sa aming video, merong 2 beds, restroom, shower room, merong mini ref, TV, at electric kettle.
Slow down, Lexon.
So magkano ang room rate dito sa Canyon Cove? For 2 days and 1 night, we only paid for 3,200 pesos. Sulit na para sa buong family. Maganda ang room at napakaganda ng place. Here, they have 3 pools. 1 pool for adult and 2 pools for kids. Yung isang pool, 3 feet at yung isa naman, 2 feet. Dahil mababaw lang ang pool, confident ako sa safety ni Lexon and Irvin. And palaging may nagbabantay na lifeguard.
La kuya!
Let's get a picture.
Hi guys!
Go back to the pool. Lexon, wait.
Wow, good swimmer oh!
Super ganda din ang beach nila dito sa Canyon Cove. Unlike sa ibang part ng Nasugbu, Batangas, na beach, maitim ang buhangin. Pero dito, almost the same ng Calatagan, Batangas. Malinaw ang tubig at hindi maitim ang sand. Masasabi kong Instagrammable ang Canyon Cove. Perfect magpa-picture sa beach at kahit sa pool area. Bago ko po makalimutan, bawal po magdala ng mga alagang pet. Bawal magdala ng food at ng mga alak. Pero available naman po ang restaurant dito at bar. All in all, para sa amin, Canyon Cove is one of the best place to celebrate any occasion sa family at lalo na ngayong summer. Hope you like our video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe. Bye-bye.